Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're opening Zoom and getting the camera ready. First, launch the app and sign in, then tap Join or New Meeting so the preview appears. Grant camera and microphone permissions if the phone asks. This lets Zoom access video and audio. Once you see your preview, switch between front and rear cameras to frame yourself properly. Make that choice before joining so others see the right view immediately. Make sure the lens is clean and lighting is adequate, because clear video starts here. Once you're in the call, tap the video preview to reveal controls and use the camera button to switch between front and back. If you need a closer shot, pinch to zoom on the video preview or use the on-screen zoom slider when available. This changes the phone's optical/digital zoom so viewers see details. Tap the subject to set focus and exposure and enable the torch for low-light close-ups. This keeps the image sharp. Make small zoom adjustments rather than large. To finish, stop video or switch to a static image, then leave the meeting. If your camera goes black or shows a frozen image, close Zoom fully and reopen it. Often that restores the feed. Make sure the app still has camera permissions in settings and restart the phone if problems persist. If none of that works, update Zoom to the latest version or reinstall. This resolves software conflicts. Remember, hardware faults are rare. Test the native camera app to confirm it's not a device issue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.